Today I'm gonna do a 2016 Christmas present shopping, and please note that I'm in no way trying to show off or in any way. So yeah, so my parents actually gave me some money to shop, and also my friends gave me some presents, and so I'm gonna start with the most important present. Okay, and they are these shoes here that my friend gave me, and she's a very good friend. She actually ordered these shoes for me in dirty pink with a shiny top, and they're made of real leather, and has a shoe bag. And comes in a very nice box. I must say they're my favorite present because she's a really good friend and dear friend to me. Okay, then I will start with a present that my friend gave me. And it's actually a Ted Baker handbag. I think I've shown you one time this bag in another video, but I want to show you again because it was an early Christmas gift. So yeah, it's in my favorite dirty pink color again, and it's a Ted Baker one. It looks like this. And the handles can be worn two sides. It can be worn short as a shoulder bag, and also, as a carrier bag, and it can be worn long as a shoulder bag. Okay. And then this one is actually from the money that my parents gave me. And it's a very nice bag. Oh, I forgot to show you the wallet. Again, this is the wallet that she gave me, and my friend gave me with the Ted Baker handbag, and it looks like this. And it also has a very nice box to it. And this one here is actually from my dad. Go. I have the same one as my mom. I gave my mom the same one, but hers is in burgundy, and yeah. So it's again in my favorite color. And then this is a backpack that I gave myself. And it's paired with my friend. I gave her one in black, and in return for the shoes. So I also bought myself one, and it's really cheap. It's about I think $25, but yeah. So it's in the latte color. So yeah. And then I also got a phone case from Kate Spade. And then my good friend Daisy gave me a mirror, and this mirror is really meaningful because it says "Seeking God." And then she also gave me one of these, and these are really handy because it's a coin purse, and you can also use it to put keys inside, and you can hang it on your handbags, and it's really cute. It's made of like silicone. And she also gave me this a similar one, which is long, and also a keychain, and it's a rose gold hammer. Yeah. So I use it to put my travel cards. And it looks like this. And then the next thing is also from my parents' money, and it's this pair of really nice Nike shoes, and they're beige in color, and they've got like my favorite plastic soles, and also yeah. The box is like this, and they're called a Woman's Upstep High Pinnacle. And then I got a power bank from my sister, and this is a really good power bank, and it's made of LG battery, and it's has the ability to detect how strong your battery is, and then it will automatically adjust to the charging speed. It comes with the USB cable too. And then this is with the phone case that my dad gave me, and I love it so much that I'm using it every day. And I think I've shown you this on one of my case on videos. Yeah, it's from Candies, and yeah, it's a sleeping pie. So I'm using it to hold my jet black iPhone. And then this is one of my favorites, which is the jacket that my dad gave me for Christmas, and this is a really warm jacket. and I want to show you the whole thing. And the back is like that. It has a warm inner lining in my favorite cream color, and the outer part is also in my favorite dirty pink color. And then the next thing that I have is a really warm sweater, and this is also from my father, and it's in grey, and it looks like this, and I really like it because it's got dark grey sleeves, and yeah, and the body is white, it's light grey. So it looks like this. And then the next thing is this pair of shoes, and they're from Zara, and they're in green and a green suede, and also my favorite kind of soles. And the next one is this sweater that my mother gave me, and it's a turtleneck, and it's a mixture of grey, cream and dirty pink. And then my one of my best friends, Stacy, also gave me a dirty pink leather jacket. And it looks like this, with like sort of rippled neck and sleeves, and there's a side pocket to it. And the last thing is something that I've given myself, and this is a really big present. And it's the 2016 MacBook Pro Touch Bar, and including a case that really flatters the machine. The inside of the machine looks like this. It's a space gray, and yeah, so the case really flatters the machine. And finally, this is also from my father, and it's a long jacket that is really warm. It's made of really thick cotton and has a long zipper to it. And it looks like this. So it's really light, warm, and the material inside is like this. Yeah. So yeah, I think I've got everything, and also there's this case from my friend who gave me the blue bag. So if you like my video and my presents, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and Merry Christmas and God bless you. Bye.